Hello friends, welcome to my today's video on investing. Let me share with you my way of identifying my Bahubalis. I believe that it is super easy provided one does not get carried away with the day-to-day noise in the stock markets. I believe that as long as I have identified and invested in Bahubalis, I don't look back. This has worked for me very well. I don't care if the prices go up or down in the short term. These businesses have nowhere else to go excepting to go up. I believe that today's video is going to be super important to all those of you who don't want to work till you are drop dead. Please watch the video till the end because I'm going to share with you live 3 steps on how to go about identifying my Bahubalis. Let me start the video and explain to you the process. Number 1, I look for big Bahubalis, businesses with a market cap of at least 60,000 crores. Number 2, return on capital employed or ROCE of these businesses of at least 25%. What is ROCE and why is it important for me? Return on capital employed or ROCE is a financial ratio that measures a business's profitability and the efficiency with which its capital is employed. ROCE helps me to understand how efficiently a business is using its capital to generate profits. Higher the ROCE, better is the business for me to consider investing. Number 3, and the last parameter I have, is the business should have generated a free cash flow of at least 10,000 crores in the last 10 years. Once again, what is free cash flows and why is it important for me? Free cash flow represents the cash a business is generating after accounting for cash outflows to support its operations and maintain its capital assets. Higher the free cash flow, better is the business. There are around 4,000 publicly listed businesses in India. How do I go about identifying Bahubalis from this massive list? I use a simple free online tool called Screener. Let me walk you through 3 simple steps I use to identify my Bahubalis. Okay, let me show you. I go to the browser and then I choose Screener. In the Screener, I choose screens and then I create a new screen. In the new screen, I key in my conditions to identify Bahubali. My first parameter is market capitalization of over 60,000 crores. And return on capital employed over return on capital employed over 25%. Number 3, free cash flows for 10 years over 10,000 crores. Okay, now I run the query. When I run this query, you will be surprised to know that there are just 11 businesses that meet my criteria. Let's take the example of TCS. In the last 10 years, TCS has given a return of around 700% to the investors. This is one of my Bahubalis. What a surprise, is it not? Only 11 businesses pass my test. There might be plenty of other businesses creating value, but I don't know how. Honestly, I don't care. For instance, you can search for India's largest business by market cap and look at ROCE and free cash flows. You will be surprised to see negative cash flows and single-digit return on capital employed. These businesses have created immense wealth, but for whom? For themselves, their families and friends. Please note that I use this query to identify only non-financial businesses. The measures that I use for businesses in the finance space is different. I will cover these businesses in a separate video. I will be discussing a few more Bahubalis in my next videos. Hope you will identify your own Bahubali and create wealth. If you like my video, please don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Please note that in this video, I have shared with you my journey in my wealth creation. This is not an investment advice. Do your own due diligence before investing. Bye-bye, take care and see you in my next video.